Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Outlook icon picture. So first, let's open outlook.live.com, sign in with your account. Once you're already signed in, on the right part of the screen, click on your icon and then go to My Profile. Once you're on your profile, you'll have an option to add or change your photo in here. In my case, since I don't have a picture yet, I'll click Add Photo and then click this one here. Now let's go ahead and add pictures. So let's say this is the picture we want to add and click Open. And then you can position the picture. You can zoom the picture and you can also rotate it in here. Now, once you're done, just click on Save. Now, let's go ahead and try to check if that's synced on our Outlook. Let's go ahead and try to check Outlook again. And then as you can see in here, my Outlook picture shows the one that we picked a while ago. And that's how to change your Outlook picture. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.